So we're here at Consumer Electronics Show with Zach
Yes.
and Lauren and Botley.
Yeah, so Botley is our new coding robot. He's great for kids to learn how to code as young as 5. He's a really fun-friendly way because he teaches you how to code in a number of ways, none of which involve a screen or an app of any kind. He's 100% screen-free. All you need to code him is have this little remote control here, and he's good to go right out of the box. In fact, I'm just going to tell Botley to start from this green spot and get him to this orange one, which is a few steps. Tell him to go forward twice, then turn to the right, go forward, and you know what? Let's have him then turn and face the camera.
Beautiful.
You can do that.
Only in Vegas we get this kind of a show.
Oh, what a turn. What a turn for you. Yeah.
Wow. Speechless.
So that's obviously very basic, and that's what's so great about Botley is right out of the box, he's very easy for kids to pick up, but because he comes with a 77-piece activity set that goes with everything you see here, and an activity guide, you can become a much more expert coder through more complex activities. For example, he comes with a little face mask here you put on, and then he pushes this ball around, going into this little hoop here. Or you could teach them something as advanced as object detection. It's our way of including if-then programming. For example, I'm gonna have Botley go right up to this wall of his little friends here. Now, I'm gonna tell him to go for it twice, and he's just gonna go right through that wall.
Some violence here.
You know, that's exactly what the kids are looking for. No, but so he's just gonna go right to that wall. But what if I wanted Botley to go forward to, but I'm gonna let him know by hitting this object detection button, Botley, if you see something in your path, I want you to turn to the left and avoid it. So let's see what happens this time. Oh, you know what? I didn't line him up right.
Oh my God.
That's my fault. We're gonna do other shot. See if he's lined. There, now he sees it. Moves right out of the way. And in fact, if we really wanted to have a little fun with Botley, let's put those guys there. And now I'm gonna put in a code where we're gonna tell Botley to go forward like as many as 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm gonna turn this on. So once he sees something, I'm gonna have him turn right twice, so he basically turns around. So let's get him started. And then as he goes, I'm not gonna put this thing behind him. And now he's seeing that, and he's just gonna keep going until you no longer see something in front of him. But if you just put your hand in front, he'll keep doing that over and over again.
So there's a sensor right here.
Yep, and he also has a black line sensor on the bottom, which allows him to trace black lines. For example, in that activity set, all of these little pieces come with, and they turn over to the other side to form black line segments.
Botley is a he?
Botley is a he, but he can be a she.
Bird.
Yeah.
Botleya.
There you go.
Botley.
Botley.
He also will follow, he works on carbon harbor floors, but he'll also, if we just had a white piece of paper and a big black Sharpie, we just draw a line for you right now, or here we go, I'll just pick him up, drop him down on that line, and now he's just following it right on a piece of paper, no problems.
What kind of batteries in Botley need?
AAA, 3 AAA batteries.
3 AAAs in the remote.
2 for the remote, AAA.
So 5 little batteries total, and what's the cost?
So Botley in the full 77-piece activity set retails for $79.99.
80 bucks will get you Botley, yeah?
Yeah, or you can get Botley on his own with the coding cards. The coding cards are there specifically to help kids visualize their code. And the little face mask, that comes to a total of 45 pieces and $59.99.
60 bucks.
Yes.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks for coming to see us.
Thank you very much. Bye, Botley.